Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be talking about the Omu Resort or Naira Triangle and Enugu, and also the Unity Park in Enugu, and things that I would personally like to see being added into these places respectively. Now I have different reasons for making this video. Now I have been to two of these locations and everything, and I can tell you that both of these places have very subpar quality, and these places can genuinely be better. I made a video talking about two of these places, which you can watch in the description box below. I remember when I went to the Unity Park and everything, when I went there, they were literally burning trash in the parks. A public park that people are meant to go to relax and have fun and enjoy themselves. They're literally burning trash. And when I went there that day, there were children there as well. It's not good. This is a bad example. At the same time, there's trash everywhere. There's trash littered everywhere in that park. And I remember recently, Enugu won the award for cleanest state. How can we be the cleanest state when we have dirty stuff like this? The same thing also applies with the Omu Resort. Not about like it being dirty and everything. Like that place is okay. But the thing is that everything there has a very subpar quality. It feels as if everything there was cheaply made and stuff. I'm sorry to say that. But based on when I went there, that is just how I feel about it. Now, as I said, I believe that things can be much better in this place, and this video is not here to spread any hate to anyone, the government, nobody at all. But I genuinely want these places to be better because these places are tourist attractions. These places have the potential to attract a lot of tourism, which will increase, the revenue of the state overall. So with that out of the way, let me list out things that I would personally want to see in both of these parks respectively. Like if the government were to see this video and they said let them add all these things, I'm going to say I would be really happy. Now let's start with Unity Park. The first thing that I believe that should be added in Unity Park are bicycles. I would like to see like a park that I can basically ride a bicycle and everything just for fun and stuff. Like if you go to other parks around the world, they have bicycles that you can ride and all that. I know that many of you might be commenting saying that, oh, I can't ride a bicycle. Oh, it will only be fit for some people and everything, which is true. You're right. But however, I was doing a lot of research about bicycles and everything, and there's a certain type of bicycle that I believe should be put in this park that would be suitable for everyone, in my opinion. You see this bicycle on the screen right here. I believe that Unity Park should put this bicycle here because this is like an adult tricycle where instead of having one wheel, it has two wheels on the back. These bikes cannot fall down, and therefore it is safer for someone to ride, especially if they don't know how to ride a bike and everything. This is safer and easier in my opinion. And if I'm being honest, if this park actually adds this thing, trust me, I'm gonna be coming here every single day. I'll be paying that 1,000 Naira gate fee on a regular basis just because I want to ride the bikes at Unity Park if they actually add this thing. The second thing that I would like to see in Unity Park are more, like games, like for example, table tennis, snooker, foosball, all those tabletop games and everything. I believe we can see more of that type of stuff in the park as well. Now for me personally, I'm not like a huge fan of all this like table tennis and stuff, but however, I believe that these types of stuff will still attract people because if people can see that they can play these games here and everything, they're always going to come here and stuff. Do you get what I mean? Another thing that I do want to see are more outdoor games in the Unity Park. Like, for example, I would like to see like a mini golf course in the Unity Park or like a basketball type of thing in the Unity Park as well. Like, this is something that the Omu Resort / Naira Triangle has. I believe that they can also bring this thing to the Unity Park as well, just to make the experience more immersive, in my opinion. But my advice to the government or the tourism board or whoever is in charge is that if you're going to make this mini golf course, please, can you actually use like fake carpet grass or something to try and emulate an actual, mini golf course or something? That's just my opinion on that though. Not like the green cement thing that they put at Omu Resort. The next thing I would also want to see at the Unity Park are more bouncing castles. We cannot just have one bouncing castle slide alone. No. Rather, we can have more types of bouncing castles. Like we can have a section that is just bouncing castles, like, and everything. We can have this place where now that they will have different bouncicles, that they can have the slide, they can have different types of stuff that I believe is going to attract a lot more people. And finally, the last thing that I would like to see inside of the park and everything is like a gaming zone and everything. Now, a gaming zone is not always 100% feasible, especially when it rains and everything. But maybe during December and stuff, this is when it's going to be very, very good. And there are some games that I would say that can be added, even if there's rain or not, something like that. But just hear me out on this. The main game that they should focus on bringing is like all those VR headsets and stuff. But however, there are certain games for the VR headsets that they should put that will make everything much more interesting. And here are my picks for VR games that they should add if they were going to add this into Unity Park and whatnot. The first game that they should add is this game called Spatial Ops, where now that it turns your surroundings into something that you can shoot and everything. And this game will be very, very nice, especially when it comes to the park, because they're building immersion around the park and stuff. Do you get what I mean? I don't know if you may understand, especially if you have played VR and stuff, but still. The second game that they can add is this game called Synth Riders, which is also a very good candidate as well. My third pick is this game called Guardian of the Realms and everything, where basically you play as somebody with a sword and shield and you're fighting and killing people and stuff in the game, and it builds that immersion from the real life and everything, which I think will also help too. And finally, for the girls, you can get Just Dance VR. Now this one does not have that like immersion like the other game that I just mentioned, but however, this one is still fun and everything, like to dance and everything, like in a cool and unique type of way. Now, I personally believe that if they add all these things to the park, it's going to make a lot of younger people always want to come back and continue paying for these things consistently. And in turn, these things are going to generate more revenue to the government as a whole. We don't need all those, helicopter that they put for Christmas and everything or whatnot. We don't need those things. We need things that will actually make the park to be fun and stick with people and give people a reason to always come back. Now, as I've said, this is just what I'm thinking about in my head right now. But if you have been to Unity Park in Enugu, you can suggest things that they could possibly add that will make the park to be more interesting in your opinion in the comment section below. Now, let's talk about Omu Resort. Now, Omu Resort is a place that has a lot of potential and everything. And here are the things that I would say that they should add, in my opinion, that could actually increase that potential. The first thing that I would say that they could add is an indoor game center. Now, Omu Resort is more of an outdoor place and everything. I get it. But then they still have space to build an indoor place in that place, in my opinion. Now, if they're building an indoor game center, it has to be like a proper arcade, with the proper arcade machines and everything. We don't need just all those PS4, PS5, blah, blah, blah. We want like a proper arcade, because if you go to places like Anambra, like with their Solution Fun City Arcade, or if you go to Lagos, if you go to Abuja, they have proper arcades there. We need something like this in Enugu, and Omu Resort is somewhere that can actually, make something like this. Do you get what I mean? Now, for the outdoor games and everything, one outdoor game that they can add are bumper cars. I believe that bumper cars will do well here, in my opinion. Like, if they can build like a proper bumper car thing, I believe it's going to do so well. Another thing that they can add in that place is a laser tag place. Now, at Omu Resort, they had this place that was supposed to be for paintball and everything, or is it roller skating? I don't know, but it's not being used at all. They can actually make outdoor laser tag and everything, where now that, you get the gun and you shoot pew, 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 in a cool and unique type of way. If that thing is there, it's going to attract a lot more people than you think. Another thing that they can add as well is a shooting range. Now, I watched this video from an Abuja content creator that showed a shooting range that they have, where they use all those like, gel guns and everything. Not real guns though, but still. They should build something like this in Enugu, like with that resort, because it's going to attract people. Like, if I see that type of thing there, I would want to always come back. Do you get what I mean? The final thing that I believe that they should add at Omu Resort are crazy carts. If you don't know what crazy carts are, then look at the video on your screen right now. Now, my reason for saying that they should add this type of thing is because of the go-karts. Now, if you watch my Omu Resort video, which is in the description box below, I talked about how I believe that these go-karts are unsafe, especially for kids and everything. Like, I don't recommend them for kids and everything because of the fact that the steering wheel is stiff, which can cause some safety issues and stuff, in my opinion. which is why instead of like having this go-kart thing alone, they can add this crazy kart thing where they must not even copy the same track that they have with the go-karts and everything, but rather they can make like a circular track with the crazy karts and everything, and people can ride it, like kids, adults, and so on. Now, I've done my research and I know that crazy karts are way safer than the go-kart that they have there. And basically, they have the sizes for kids and adults. So what can happen is that if kids are riding, they will give the kid size ones. And then if adults are riding, or older teenagers, everything, they have that one too. And it's going to be so nice. Like, I'm telling you, if they had that crazy kart thing, I would have paid for that stuff. Like, if it was there when I went to that Umu resort, I would have paid for it because I was seriously interested in actually exploring this park more. Now, I didn't say things like they should add like a water slide, or, you know, they should add like a Ferris wheel and everything. I mean, those things can be added, but for me personally, from my perspective, I don't really see the need to add those things there, even though they can possibly be added if the government wants to and stuff. But I'm just saying, for me personally, based on my own perspective, I feel as if these particular things that I was talking about are what would make everything better, in my opinion. Now, if you also have been to Umu Resort and you believe that they should add some more things in the park and everything, then please comment below what things that they should add in the park, like in your own opinion and stuff. So yeah, that is all for today's video. If you have any thoughts on this, please comment below. And as always, I hope I see you guys next time.